Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. How are you
How are you?
doing?
Yes, I'm doing great. And
You
you?
are I'm also fine. You are always in hurry. What do you do?
What do you do? I'm a student.
You are a student. So why are you always in hurry? You always say that you don't have time, you don't have time. What do you do?
Yes, I'm a student. I'm doing my study, so I have not too much time to waste anywhere.
Oh, that's great. So what are you preparing? Are you preparing any examination or
Yes, for my board examination for 12th class.
okay, you are in 12th class. Okay,
Yeah.
that's great. So what kind of classes? I think virtual classes will be going on? No?
Yes, nowadays we are attending in the class offline.
Are you
We
going to
are,
school? Schools are not opened, I think.
I'm not going to school. I'm going to my institute.
Okay, and what about schools? Classes, are the classes going on? Online
No,
classes?
I'm attending offline classes. I'm not attending online class because nowadays my institute has reopened.
Okay, the institute has been opened. Now you are sitting in your institute.
No, no, this is my room.
So what do you do with board?
Yes, I teach some students at home.
Okay, that's very good. It's your part-time job, right?
Yes, yes, it's my part-time job.
So what do you teach? Every subject or just there is just only one particular subject?
No, I teach all subjects, but I like English more and more.
Okay, up to 10th or what grade do you teach?
No, below 10th.
Okay, below 10th. Okay, then tell me something more about you. Why do you want to learn English? What are your ambitions?
First of all, English is related to my goal. So I'm learning English. And another is that
Why?
I want, why?
Why do you
Because
want to learn English?
I want to become an English lecturer in my life. So English is very important. Without English, I can't become.
Okay,
Yes.
great.
So yeah, this is first my reason in my life. And if I talk about English, then we all know that English is very important because without English we can't face this modern era.
Yeah, definitely. It's very crucial for everyone to learn English. And yeah, definitely. And I love your passion as well. If you are so passionate, then definitely you are going to achieve your goal.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I wish you very best of luck. I wish that you may become an English lecturer one day.
Thank thank you for your wishing.
Welcome. So what else? What about your family?
Yes, my family members all are good. And what about your
How
family
many?
members?
I also have a big family.
Oh, good.
How many family members are there in your family?
Yeah, in my family, 5 members.
Do you have any sibling?
Yes, one elder brother and one elder sister.
Okay, that's great. And your grandparents?
No, I have no grandparents. I have only my parents.
Like they are living with your uncle aunt, or like they have passed away. What's the matter?
No, they have died.
Okay, they have passed away. Okay.
Yes,
In my
because
family, there are 8 members,
okay, yes.
and yeah, I'm married and I'm living with my in-laws actually.
You are married.
Yeah, I'm married and I'm
Oh,
living with my in-laws.
so do you have any kids?
Yeah, I have one child,
One child.
a boy. Yeah, a boy.
Boys or girl?
Yeah, boy, a boy.
Oh, what is about his age?
He's almost 10 years old.
Almost 10 years old.
Yeah, he's 10 years old.
But I'm surprised after watching because you are looking so young.
Because I got to married in my very young age. I was just only 20 when I got married.
Oh, but you are looking so young. So I was thinking you are not married. You are
No.
single.
And it's been long time I have married. I 11 years ago. It's been
So
11 years.
so nowadays, what are you doing? Are you studying or are you staying at home or
No studying. I have completed my study and I'm a teacher right now.
teacher?
Yeah,
You are you teacher
I
of
teach
government
online.
school or private school?
I teach in a private school, and nowadays online classes are going on because you know that schools are not open.
Yeah, yeah, good, good, yes. Because I know the situation of COVID-19.
Yeah,
Yes, good. Okay, so I have one question to you.
I just got a
Hello,
call.
can you listen me?
Yeah, yeah, I can listen to you.
But where are you? I can't see your face. Now I can see you.
Actually, I got a call. That's why it may got disconnected.
Okay, no problem. So how is going your YouTube channel?
Where do you live?
I live in Bihar. Do you know Bihar?
Definitely, I know Bihar.
Yes, I'm Bihari.
Okay. And what your father do?
My father is a farmer.
Okay. And
And what does your father do?
my father was an army man. Now he is retired. He
Army
was,
man.
yeah, in
Oh,
army.
good. Great job. He has
Not
done
great.
great.
It's great for others, but no, it's not great for the family members because you know the army persons, they are very strict and they are very uh they all the time they have a particular schedule and very disciplined. So my whole childhood was spent in a strict discipline. Okay. We had to wake up in the morning at a particular time, we had to brush our teeth, we had to cut our nails on a particular every Sunday, and we had a particular schedule for our study. So I spent my whole childhood in a very particular bounded situation in a
Oh,
very bounded environment. My father is
that
actually very strict. He's very strict with all the life like he has very his own rules and regulations that we have to follow every time. So it's
but
good for others, but it's really hard for a family member to live with a army person.
but this is very good. But this is very good for our family members and for our generation.
Yeah, this is good, but not all the time. Sometimes I used to feel that it's not good for a child to stay in a very limited and in a very disciplined environment all the time. Children are tend to play and everything. So sometimes is it used to, but my father is too strict, too strict.
So tell me something about what do you want to ask? Do you have any question?
I think I have asked what I wanted to ask. If you want to ask anything, then you can.
Okay. So tell me why are you learning English? What's the reason?
Why I am learning English? I have been learning English since long, and yeah, English is a essential part of everyone's life. You know that if we are fluent in English, then we have so many opportunities in our life. We have better career options, and I we can get a better job. Particularly, why I am learning English because I want a hike in my life. Like I want a better job. Okay, the job that I am doing right now, I want a better job, and I want to actually it's my hobby. Okay, it's not that I started uploading video related to English. That's why I'm learning English. No, I have been learning since long. It's not a short term journey. I've been learning along. It's my hobby, and I love this language.
Okay. So do you have any plan in your future? It means what's your goal?
Almost I have achieved my goal. I wanted to become a teacher. Now I'm a teacher. Now my whole focus is on my son.
So are you teacher? Are you private teacher?
Yes, I'm a private teacher.
Okay. So you are satisfied with your occupation?
Why not?
Oh, good. Okay.
If you are asking me that why I didn't become a government teacher, no,
No, no, no.
I never
It's
wanted to. I never
No,
wanted to be a government
I
teacher
cannot,
because
okay, listen, I cannot emphasize that you should become government teacher. Okay, it doesn't matter. But I was asking, okay?
yeah, but I never wanted to be a government teacher. I know the situation in government schools. I can survive in that environment, and I know that most of the government teachers they never teach. They never teach. They just play with the future of children. But I think here I've seen in Gurugram, I've seen the situation of government schools. They are in very bad situation. There are not even a particular board where a teacher can teach. So I never wanted to be a government teacher. I'm very satisfied with my job wherever I am right now.
Yes, everyone has different choice because
Yeah,
some people they want to become government teacher, some people they want to become private teacher. So everyone has different choice, different target. So it cannot be same.
I
But
never
in my
want to
life,
become a government employee actually.
I have thought I have to become an English professor, and I will become.
Definitely, you have set a big goal, so you need to work really very hard.
Yes,
Still you are in 12th standard. You have your whole life in front of you. So I would suggest that you should work more hard, and definitely you will be a
yes, I will follow
professor one
whatever.
day. Definitely. So what is your schedule? Like what is your routine? What do you
I
do
have,
from morning to evening?
but I have no any strong routine. I have no any solid routine. I have normal routine, and sometimes I don't follow, but I need to make my routine.
Because every time you have been complaining, I don't have time. So I thought that you would be having some particular and very strict rule
No, no.
of your study. That's why you are complaining that you don't have time.
Yes, I am busy in my teaching, in my study, but I have not set my time that at what time I have to study, at what time I have to wake up, at what time I have to teach, because all works are not related to exactly time. It may be different, but whenever I get free time, so that time I try to communicate with anyone because I have many friends, so I talk with them in English, and I try to waste my time in the teaching, in the study, and I also try to waste my time on my channel. I have also one channel.
Oh, that's great. What kind of channel do you have?
Yes, the channel you have like that, I have also channel.
No, what topics or what
Yeah, that
the
is
content do you upload on your?
my channel is about English. You
Okay,
will find, yes, you will find many videos on my channel.
what kind of videos are you uploading? Videos related to grammar or related to conversation? What type of videos do you upload?
Yes. On my channel, I have uploaded many videos related to structure, English structure, like also grammar and also spoken related. And I have uploaded many videos like Cambly video. Do you know Cambly video?
I know.
Yes, many videos I have uploaded on Cambly.
So, have you taken any Cambly subscription?
Yeah, but now my subscription I took for 1 month.
Okay. How was your experience about Cambly?
How what can I get in 1 month? But I am not certified in 1 month. But I am planning for subscribe once time again.
Okay, so you like Cambly, right?
Yes, I like Cambly. I love Cambly.
Okay, that's great. Okay, okay. So can you give me your link of your channel just right after this
Okay,
call?
okay, definitely I can give you.
And are you going to upload this video on your channel?
If you give me permission, then I will upload.
It's okay, you can upload, but I wish that you just remove some parts of this video, that unnecessary part.
Okay, okay, yes.
Edit
I'll-
some unnecessary parts of the video. Anything else
Okay.
you want to ask me?
No, now I have no any question. So, are you giving me permission to upload?
Yes, you can upload. Definitely, you can upload, but just only remove the unnecessary part. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. Thanks
And
for.
before uploading, and before uploading the video, please send me it once so that I can watch the whole video.
Okay. Okay.
You would have told me earlier if you wanted to upload the video, we could have a better talk. I would be bringing some better topics.
Okay. Okay. No problem. We can bring next time. But if you are agree, then we can bring the next time.
Definitely, we can have next time, but just send me the video before you upload it on the video. Okay, we can have a
O-
next session as well.
Okay.
Okay, then I wish you a very best of luck. Break a
Yes.
leg and be successful in your life. Okay, then bye bye. Is that
Bye
okay?
bye.
Okay, bye bye. Take care.